The Glass Rain Planet. A bizarre tempest of cutting silicates raging across an alien sky. Atmospheric scans reveal winds moving faster than sound itself. Billions of jagged shards slice horizontally. Beneath these lethal clouds lies a sideways ocean of molten glass reaching unthinkable temperature peaks. Survival here is entirely impossible. Even advanced titanium probes would be pulverized into fine dust. Behold the pitch-black world, an anomaly so dark it consumes almost all visible light. Instruments struggle to penetrate this thick haze. It resembles a massive lump of floating coal. Deep within its core, a faint blood-red glow emanates. Intense heat is trapped underneath constantly. Approaching this eerie sphere feels like descending into an endless abyss of complete sensory deprivation. Witness the burning ice paradox. Extreme pressure forces water into solid form despite scorching heat. Geological readouts show glaciers radiating intense thermal energy. The immense gravitational weight locks molecules unnaturally. Steam constantly hisses from cracks in the glowing frost. It is a harsh chemical contradiction. Walking here means freezing and burning simultaneously. These conditions rewrite everything we knew about physics. The lava ocean hell. Entire continents replaced entirely by a churning sea of liquid rock. Volcanic eruptions continuously reshape the violently shifting crust. Magma tides rise under strong neighboring influence. Toxic sulfur clouds blanket the turbulent skies above. Breathing is out of the question here. Every square inch radiates devastating warmth. This hellish landscape offers a glimpse into early destruction. Egg-shaped death. A massive gas giant physically stretched by the relentless pull of gravity. Orbital decay is dragging this doomed sphere closer. Its outer layers are stripped away violently. A tail of evaporating materials trails behind like a comet. The host sun shows zero mercy. Eventually, the entire mass will be completely devoured. It is a slow execution on a galactic scale. Discover the ancient fossil world, a dead, silent graveyard floating quietly among active celestial systems. Billions of years ago, a thriving core generated magnetic fields. Now, only cold dust remains. Craters map out a brutal history of collisions. Without wind, every scar is preserved flawlessly. Exploring this barren wasteland feels profoundly lonely. It stands as a grim reminder of mortality. The rock-raining planet, where the sky literally drops heavy stones instead of water droplets. Vaporized minerals condense high up in the scorching atmosphere. Cooling creates plummeting, deadly heavy pebbles. This continuous bombardment creates an endlessly churning terrain. Sheltering from such a storm is inconceivable. Kinetic energy from falling debris keeps the ground partially molten. It is a relentless cycle. Magenta alien gas. A deeply toxic giant radiating a beautiful but extremely deadly purple hue. Spectroscopic analysis revealed strange chemical compounds never seen before. The colors mask corrosive radioactive elements. Unpredictable electrical storms flash constantly through the vibrant haze. Lightning strikes span thousands of miles. Despite its mesmerizing appearance, proximity guarantees swift vaporization. Cosmic beauty often hides deadly hidden traps. The Vaporizing Giant. Searing ultraviolet rays are actively boiling away this massive sphere right now. Its parent star is brutally close, blasting the surface. The atmosphere escapes into the void. The resulting planetary tail stretches for millions of miles. It slowly bleeds mass away constantly. This disintegration produces a spectacular yet tragic celestial display. It is actively shrinking before us. Ruby storm tempests. a luxurious nightmare where precious gemstones precipitate directly from highly toxic clouds. High altitudes forge aluminium oxide into solid corundum crystals. Falling sapphires turn weather into weapons. Driven by hurricane-force gales, the gems act as hyper-speed bullets. They easily slice reinforced spacecraft. Unimaginable wealth falls from above, yet collecting it equals death. The universe guards its treasure. The Scorched Iron Planet. A heavy metallic sphere subjected to brutal, permanent, intense solar daylight. The day side is hot enough to melt solid iron effortlessly. Liquid metal sloshes against shores. As vaporized iron travels to the cooler night, it rains down. A literal iron monsoon forms. Magnetic anomalies plague the region, scrambling all navigational tools. Landing would weld a ship instantly. The Puffy ghost giant. An inexplicably swollen world possessing the sheer density of cotton candy. Despite its massive size, its actual mass is surprisingly low. The fragile shell lacks substance. It hovers like a delicate phantom among heavier, denser neighbors. Internal heating causes extreme inflation. One strong solar flare could completely scatter its gaseous body. It remains a vulnerable anomaly. Rogue Drifter, an exiled world cast out into the freezing, empty darkness of interstellar void. Without a host star to provide warmth, eternal night reigns. The surface is completely frozen. Only faint geothermal activity might keep subterranean oceans liquid. Otherwise, it is a silent tomb. These lonely travelers vastly outnumber stars in our galaxy. They silently glide, harboring unknown secrets. Tidally locked hell. One hemisphere perpetually faces a burning sun, the other stares into space. The sun-facing side is a barren, scorched desert. The dark side is buried under glaciers. Between these extremes lies a narrow twilight boundary zone. Fierce winds battle to balance temperatures. Standing on the edge means feeling simultaneous freezing and heat. A planet permanently divided forever. Diamond Mantle. A celestial body whose immense pressure crushed carbon into solid, glittering, precious diamond. Beneath the graphite crust lies a pressurized fortune beyond comprehension. The core is one crystal. Temperatures within this gem reach blindingly hot levels. Volcanic vents spit out carbon-rich, glowing magma. It is a beautifully lethal monument to gravitational force. Our journey through these terrifying anomalies concludes. The final void approaches. Time stops completely. The investigation is officially closed.